Okay, so today we talk a little about instruments clinic. It means we check what's the problem with the certain instrument. So here we have two violins ready for checking. One is Stradivarius style and one is Tyrolese style. So we can compare the shape, it's different. This one, it is typical Stradivarius, and this one a little strange because it is narrower. The pegboard, the screw is very thin, also neck thin, and the special is the corner is very short, not standard like this corner. And the Tyrolese, they have the symbol like this. So Tyrolese violin made in Tyrol, one area in the northern part of Austria. Yeah. So when we do clinic with the one violin, we open it like this. This is the inside of the violin. Yeah. For the top, yeah, we have two F holes and we have the bass bar. So my duty is checking why the violin cannot make good sound. So the main thing is we have to check the thickness first. Yeah. For checking the thickness, I don't use the device to measure how many millimeters thick, but I use this method. It is called wood tuning. But normally just it is like you knock at the wood. You hear the sound and then you estimate the thickness. So here, after knocking at every spot, I put the letter like this. Here is F, E, D flat, C, B, F, B, low D flat, something like that. And we compare with the standard. Normally the standard here must be G. So here it is E, it means it is a little thin. But here the standard is C, but here is F, it means 5 notes lower. It means it is very thin. But here even much more thinner, because more than 1 octave thinner, because it is B and here is D flat. Yeah, another way to check is like this. And we do like this. We say twisting. We twist the top of the violin. And like this, it is too much. And you can see that the bass bar is not strong enough. So this is for the top. For the back, we do the same. And then I determine here is A flat, G flat, and F. But the standard must be 1 note higher than the top. It means here is G. But here is low A, nearly 1 octave lower than G. So it means here, this part is very thin. It is not strong enough. So for this violin, yeah, the main problem is big bout area. It is too thin, both top and back. But small bout is nearly okay. So my duty to improve the sound, it means we have to make the top is stronger and more vibration, more response to the player when they play on this violin. Okay, finish.